Well, welcome to the community calendar. I'm Raina. I'm filling in as host today. And we have Jim and Amber with us today. And we're going to be talking Polar Fest. So what do we have going on, Jim?
We've got the Minnesota Hotdish Challenge coming up at Grace Lutheran Church on Sunday, February 13th.
All right. And what is that?
It is a hot dish and dessert bar challenge. So we're asking community residents and businesses to enter your favorite hot dish recipe or your dessert bar recipe. And there are great prizes, trophies. It's a fun day, a true Lutheran social.
All right. And so do you get a variety of hot dishes? Because, I have, tater tot hot dish. That's my only hot dish.
We get a huge variety of hot dishes. And then we'll have celebrity judges coming in to judge. And at 4 o'clock, it's a dinner, a free will offering dinner. And that's from 4 to 5:30.
All right. So, Amber, what are you doing?
I am passing out the trophies for the Minnesota Hot Dish Competition.
Okay, and so give me a little background on what you do.
I am, I guess, an up and rising TikTok star. I have started producing content on TikTok and Facebook and Instagram, talking about Minnesota life, Minnesota culture, the Minnesota goodbye, the Minnesota hot dish, the Minnesota homemade Jell-O salads are what amplified me to stardom, I guess. I don't know what this is. I just was asked to pass out trophies, and I'm happy to participate in my hometown activities.
Very nice. All right. So when should they be bringing hot dishes and register and all that?
You can call 218-841-2968 to register your hot dish. Hot dishes are to be dropped off at between 3 and 3:15 on Sunday, February 13th. Judging will start at 3:30, and then the dinner starts at 4. So just give us a call at 841-2968.
Okay, and then the money raised for this goes to?
Grace Lutheran Church Charity of Choice.
Got it. Okay.
Now, are people going to be bringing recipe cards? Because I might need more ideas.
We would love people to bring recipe cards because we would love to start with this year. We've done this as our 4th annual, but we would love to start a cookbook with this.
Oh, that would be
And so, yes, we ask that you definitely bring your recipe card with it.
Super. All right. So that is, again, the Minnesota Hot Dish Challenge and Dinner, February 13th from 4 to 5:30 at Grace Lutheran Church in Detroit Lakes. And you can drop off your hot dishes again when?
At 3 o'clock on Sunday, February 13th. We're going to have lots of other, we'll have buns and Pepsi's providing pop, and we'll have hot dishes and lots of dessert bars. So come and have a great meal with us.
Awesome. And then come and see Amber.
Yep. And we've got a bunch of celebrity judges. Tracy Briggs will be one of our judges that day, and a few surprises coming in, and definitely want to come and talk with Amber.
Super.
So just be warned, you might be in my TikTok then.
Awesome. All right. So make sure you stop by, and thank you, Jim and Amber, for stopping by. And Amber, thanks for participating in this. So great.
Thank you.